Live super glide pass. Spitfire. Beautiful sunny cloudy weather. That's an air show. Parliament digital at the moment, UK wise. 2025. It's 15:18 p.m. in the afternoon. Our log, that's 3:18 p.m. in the afternoon. It is August 22nd, Friday afternoon, guys. 2025. This is Spitfire flying right now. Please squash on, sign jump, please squash out, please squash my shot, sign jumps on YouTube, please. I found out the right side of the screen, so I'm happy. RAF Spitfire. Right. Please squash it, please squash my shot, and sign jumps. This is my friends Marky and Jimbo. Every Friday at 3 to 5 p.m. ITF5 thing. Got a live show today, and next week we got a record show. And this is my friend Shane, live for the years. Every Tuesday, 1 to 3 p.m. on Soho Hills Way Show. Every Tuesday, this is my friend John on the last show every Sunday at 9 to 12 and live on the Waker Show. Please squash in my show. Find any jobs on YouTube, please.